Black Uhuru, pioneers of dub-infused reggae. Black Uhuru, the Grammy-winning reggae band from Jamaica, is renowned for its pioneering fusion of roots reggae with dub and electronic elements. Formed in 1972 in Kingston by Derrick "Duckie" Simpson, Black Uhuru has had a profound impact on reggae music, with a distinctive sound that blends socially conscious lyrics, rich harmonies, and innovative production techniques. Over the years, the band has gone through multiple lineup changes, but their commitment to reggae's core messages of peace, love, and resistance has remained constant, securing their legacy as one of the genre's most influential acts. The original lineup featured Derrick "Duckie" Simpson, Euvin Don Carlos Spencer, and Rudolph Garth Dennis. In 1977, however, Dennis and Spencer left, leading to the arrival of Michael Rose and Errol Tarzan Nelson, along with vocalist Sandra "Puma" Jones a few years later. This lineup proved to be Black Uhuru's most famous and successful, with Rose's unique vocal delivery and Jones' soulful harmonies, combined with Simpson's vision and leadership. Black Uhuru crafted a sound that resonated worldwide. In 1980, Black Uhuru achieved international recognition with the release of Simpson, produced by Sly Dunbar and Robbie Shakespeare, the renowned Jamaican rhythm duo. Sly and Robbie's production added a powerful, bass-heavy edge to the music, with innovative use of drum machines and dub effects that gave the album a distinctly modern feel. Simpson became a huge success and established Black Uhuru as a major force in reggae. The album included hits like Guess Who's Coming to Dinner and Simpson, which brought attention to issues of Rastafarian culture, resistance, and spiritual awakening. In 1981, they released Red, another critically acclaimed album featuring tracks like Spongy Reggae and Youth of Eglinton. The album was a triumph and further solidified Black Uhuru's status as international reggae stars. The band continued this momentum with Chill Out, 1982, and then with Anthem in 1984, which earned them the first-ever Grammy Award for Best Reggae Recording in 1985. This accolade marked a historic moment, not only for the band but also for reggae music, cementing its place on the global music stage. Despite the success, Black Uhuru experienced several lineup changes, which impacted their musical direction. Michael Rose left the group in the mid-1980s, and other vocalists, such as Junior Reid and later Andrew Bees, joined over the years. Each lineup brought its own flavor, but the essence of Black Uhuru, political commentary, spiritual reflection, and high-quality production remained. Junior Reid's tenure saw the release of albums like Brutal and Positive, which kept the group relevant through the digital reggae era. Throughout the 1990s and 2000s, Black Uhuru continued to perform and release albums, with Duckie Simpson as the consistent anchor of the band. In 2018, they released As the World Turns, an album that saw the group return to its roots while also embracing contemporary reggae sounds. Their adaptability has allowed them to remain relevant and respected across multiple generations of reggae fans. Today, Black Uhuru stands as a symbol of reggae's ability to evolve and adapt while staying true to its message of resistance, resilience, and cultural pride. The band's contribution to reggae is unmatched, and their work continues to inspire artists worldwide. Whether performing classics or creating new music, Black Uhuru's legacy as reggae pioneers is undeniable, and their influence on dub and electronic reggae remains vital.